hydroxide ion. Hydroxide ion is what? Hydroxide ion is OH 1 minus. Right? It is what? It is a radical. Radical. When group of atoms, when group of atoms have charge called radicals, right? And when an atom has a charge, when an atom gets charge, known as ion, right? Like, so this is a radical because this is a group of atoms, right? And if I talk about potassium is having atomic number 19, so its electronic configuration is 2881. It is having one electron in its outermost shell, so it has a strong tendency to lose this electron and become K plus. This is 288, right? So ये इसने stable position attain कर, and this is called ion. This is ion, right? And this was radical. So we have to talk about OH ion, right? So OH में we have one oxygen atom, right? One oxygen atom. Oxygen atom has 6 electrons in its outermost shell, right? And hydrogen has 1 electron in its outermost shell. So this hydrogen atom takes 1 electron from it and get the stable condition. And oxygen atom takes 1 electron from this hydrogen atom and still it is having 1 electron less, right? Deficiency of 1 electron. Deficiency of 1 electron leads to formation of negative charge as a whole, right? ये excited state में होता है, ठीक? So this as a whole it gets, so OH, O and O is in excited state. This is called OH minus ion. This is OH minus, right? It is called hydroxyl ion. Hydroxyl ion. Okay? This is the structure of OH hydroxyl ion, right? So you understand this? Okay. So should I rub all this? Okay. Oh, you want to talk? Should I rub?
Yes.
You want to talk reflection in mathematics. Okay, fine. So this is, this is y-axis. It is positive, it is negative. इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? Ordinate. Right? And this is x-axis. X-axis. It is called abscissa. 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 Right? This is called abscissa. So, if there is a point, this is negative of y, this is negative of x, right? This is positive of x. Now, if there is a point P which is having coordinate, say 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So its coordinates are 3, 3. Right? So when reflection through y-axis, sorry, reflection through x-axis, right? Reflection is through x-axis. When reflection is through x-axis, so x is constant. Reflection through x-axis, so x is constant. X constant, and sign of y get changed. So इस पॉइंट का रिफ्लेक्शन जो हो जाएगा 1, 2, 3. This is, it comes here. It is having 3 is constant, x is constant, but y is -3, right? So this is reflection through y-axis, sorry, x-axis, reflection through x-axis. Now reflection through y-axis. reflection through y-axis, right? So what happens? Y is constant. Y is constant. And X sign get changed, right? So it becomes, this is plus 3, that comes into 1, 2, 3. It comes here, right? This is what? Minus 3, comma 4. Oh, minus 3 comma 3. So y-axis is constant and sign of x is changed when reflection through y-axis. When reflection through x-axis, then x is constant, sign of y get changed, right? When reflection through origin, when this is origin, so when reflection through origin, sign of both get changed, right? So this is, it comes to, this is 3 comma 3, this will come minus 3 comma minus 3, this is minus 3 comma minus 3. This is when reflection through origin, right? And if a point lies on coordinate axis, suppose it is here, means it is here. This is what? 2 comma 0, right? ये coordinate, this is invariant for y-axis. क्योंकि 0 है ना, so it cannot go up, it cannot go down. It is invariant, but it is having reflection with y-axis. Invariant for y-axis 2 comma 0. Yeah, but it has reflection through invariant for x-axis, but reflection through y-axis. It can be what? When you go here, it can be here. y-axis के थ्रू इसका रिफ्लेक्शन हुआ तो y remain same, so 0 and इसके कोऑर्डिनेट्स हो गए -2, 0. So it is very invariant for x-axis. x-axis से x-axis में एक्स एक्सिस के थ्रू इसका रिफ्लेक्शन नहीं होगा. इस लाइन के थ्रू इट कैन नॉट गो अप, इट कैन नॉट गो डाउन, राइट? बट वाई एक्सिस के थ्रू इट कैन चेंज, राइट? दिस इज कॉल्ड इनवेरिएंट. सिमिलरली, if you take a point here, zero comma 3, right? So 0,3 invariant for x-axis. Sorry, 0,3 invariant for y-axis, right? But it can come here like this, it can come here, and it is here, it can be written as 0, -3, right? x-axis में x is constant, but value of y get, sign of y get changed. So this is, which is invariant for y-axis, it does not mean it is invariant for x-axis also. It is invariant for y-axis, but it is variant for it has reflection in x-axis. This point is invariant for x-axis, but having reflection with y-axis. एक particular coordinate के लिए it is. When points are lying on coordinate axes, right? This is we have reflection. This is we have reflection, right? This is we have reflection. So I hope you understand, right? So should I write this?
Yes.
Up there is a coordinate axis is y. This is y-axis, positive. Y-axis negative, positive, negative, and this is x-axis positive, x-axis negative, right? There is a line, say there is a line this is 1, this is 1, this is 2. So this is line x is equal to 2. X is equal to 2. What is the meaning of it? For any value of y, for any value of y, x is equal to 2, right? There is a point, say there is a point -1, 2, right? You need reflection with this line, right? So when it is x is equal to 2 is parallel to y-axis, and so this coordinate will be its coordinate will be 2, इसके कोऑर्डिनेट हो गए 2, 2, राइट? इसमें जब y एक्सिस के थ्रू हो रहा है तो y remains same, so x we have to find and y becomes 2, y तो 2 ही रहेगा. So how you get that? So that is equal to, here is 2 is equal to 2 is equal, and they are at equal distance, right? This is object, this is image. This is object, this is image. So with a reflecting surface, distance of object is equal to distance of image. So it is a midpoint. So 2 is equal to -1 plus x upon 2. So it is 2 times 2 becomes 4 plus 1 is equal to x. So 5 is equal to x. So it will be, ये 2 था, so ये 2, ये 0 and 2 से 1, this is 3, this is 4 and here is 5. So this point will be here with reference to this line. Reflection with reference to this line में this value will be 5, 2. Reflection is from x is equal to 2. So 5, 2 because x is, when reflection occurs through y-axis, then y is constant, but sign of x will be changed. And what will be changed? What will be the value of y? So value you have taken, this is the midpoint. So you have taken 2 is equal to -1 plus x upon 2. 2 times 2 becomes 4. 1 comes here, 5 to 5. So its distance is 1, 2, 3 unit. and 1, 2, 3. So from this line, reflection is same. So this is reflection through a line, which is x is equal to 2. Right? This you understand to some extent. To some extent. Huh? Okay. If we take another line, that is, can I rub this? Now, this is 1, 2. Now there is a line this is y is equal to 2. It means for any value of x, y is equal to 2, right? And there is a point this is 2, this I say 3, negative 3, this is sorry negative 2, this is negative 2, so y is negative 2, this is minus 4, this is minus 5, this is minus 6. So now there is a point, we can say there is a point which we call 1 comma minus 4. 1 comma minus 4. So 1 comma minus 4, and this point is having a reflection, right? So for any value of y, so this is for any value of x, y becomes minus 2, right? So when we come, when this line passes from here, so its coordinate will be what? Reflection through, this is parallel to x-axis, so x is constant, so this is 1, this we have 1, and this is 1 comma minus 2, right? So what will be the point of this line? This, so again we have, there will be 1, but what will be the coordinate? So we can write, that is again minus 2 is equal to x is constant, minus 2 into minus 4 plus y upon 2. It is how much?
8.
This is the point. This is minus 4 plus 4 is equal to y. So y is equal to 0. So it means this point will be here, right? Reflection through the line y is equal to minus 2, then reflection of point 1 comma minus 4 will have 1 comma 0. Its distance 1 2 unit 1 2 unit is there, right? So this is the reflection through y-axis. When reflection of coordinate 1 comma minus 4 from the line y is equal to minus 2, then its coordinate will be 1 comma 0, right? And when reflection of minus 1 comma 2 with y with x is equal to 2, x is equal to 2, there is x is equal to 2, then coordinates are 5 comma 2, right? So value of y remains same. Here value of y remains same. Here value of x remains same. When reflection occurs through x-axis, then value of y is, when reflection occurs through, when reflection occur through x-axis, then value of x is constant, and when reflection occurs through y-axis, when reflection occur through when reflection occur through y-axis, then value of y is equal to constant, right? y is equal to minus 2 is parallel to x-axis, and x is equal to 2 is parallel to y-axis, right? I hope you understand this. This is all the logics of reflection which you have to keep in mind, and after that you can do the questions. Now come to exercise. What is your exercise? Yeah. What is your question number?
31.
Question number 30. Oh, I'll bring it here. Question number 31. What is that?
Use a plot paper. For this question, take 10 small division is equal to 1 unit. And PQ have coordinates 0, 5.
PQ have coordinates
0,
5
and 2 minus 2, 4.
minus 2, 4. Okay, this is the coordinates of P and Q. Okay. Then
P is invariant when reflected in an axis, name the axis.
okay, 0, 5 na. So if we draw the coordinate axes are like this. This is y-axis and this is x-axis, right? It is 0, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0, 5. It is having 0, 5, right? When 0, 5 is there, so it means it is invariant to y-axis. Invariant to y-axis, right? Because so invariant to y-axis. What happens for next?
Find the image of Q on reflection in the axis found in it first.
Yeah.
Find the image of Q on reflection in the axis found in I first one.
Acha. So this is, you have 1, -1, -2. This is 4. So this is Q is -2, 4 and its reflection in y-axis, because invariant in y-axis, we have invariant in y-axis. So in y-axis, y remains same, it becomes 1, 2. Its position will be here, right? It becomes Q dash is equal to 2, 4. Y remains constant, sin of x, y remains constant, y remains constant, and value of x sin of x get changed. Sin of x get changed. Okay, you get it? This is, so what next?
Find OK reflection on the origin is invariant. Write the value of K. O, K on reflection in the origin is invariant. Write the value of K.
Zero. This is origin. Its value is 0,
K.
k, and its coordinates are 0, 0. So value of k is equal to 0. What is your answer?
Zero.
This is 0. This is 2, 4. This is invariant for
Y.
to y-axis. Okay, what next?
Write the coordinates of the image of Q obtained by the reflecting in the origin followed by reflection in x-axis.
Yeah. What he said?
Write down the coordinates of the image Q.
Okay,
obtained by
image
the-
Q. Q dash reflection through origin then coordinates will be -2, -4, -2, -1, -2, -3, -4. There will be. Here will be. This is -2, minus -2, -4, -2, -4. This is through origin, reflection through origin, and when it is going from x-axis, so -2 and -2 same and is equal to q, and when reflection through y-x-axis, this is what? Q double dash, reflection of Q double dash with x-axis, then what happens? X-axis, so x remains same, y else, then x remains same, and sign of y changed. So it becomes q triple dash is equal to -2, 4, which is equal to q. इधर से आए हैं, इधर से गए वापस, तो सेम q ट्रिपल डैश इज इक्वल टू q के बराबर. व्हाट इज योर आंसर?
Two comma 4.
2, 4 की -2, 4?
2, 4.
What was the question?
फिर सेकेंड वाला भी 2, 4 आ रहा है. P is invariant when reflected in an axis. Name the axis. Find the image of.
No. You tell me this is about Q. Q dash को मैंने लिया origin से.
Write the coordinate of the image Q obtained by reflecting.
Image Q of refracting from origin.
Followed by reflection in x-axis.
Q dash मैंने यहाँ पे लिखा है. Q dash का रिफ्लेक्शन तो ये होगा, लेकिन अगर Q का रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ Q reflection of Q from origin, then it becomes 2 comma minus 4. Is it? This is minus 2 comma 4. So it turns to be 2 comma 2 comma minus 4. It will be here. Right? It will be here. This is 2 comma minus 4. When this Q is reflected, reflection of Q from origin, then 2 comma minus 4, and when it is reflected through, so it becomes, and when reflection through y-axis, this we called Q4. Q4, right? So Q4 reflection through Q4 reflection through reflection through x-axis. So x is constant, that is 2. Sine y minus 4 turns to be plus 4. So Q4 reflected through x-axis, then Q5 will be 2 comma 4. Right? So this becomes 2 comma 4. You get this?
Yes.
This is 2 comma 4. We get 2 comma 4. I did with the both way. I did from there, and then you come to there, and if you are coming to here, and then you are coming to there. Right? This is when reflection through origin, then both the signs become changed. And when reflection through x-axis, so x is constant and sign of y get changed. Similarly here, it is through origin, then both the signs get changed, and when x-axis, then x is constant, value sign of y is changed. This is, we have question number 31. Right? I hope you understand. Okay. Do you not understand anything?